It's time to tap that sap. I'm on it. Hold it still, Katie. We got it, Isabella. Hey, Phineas. We got that sap you guys needed.
Excellent, Isabella. That's the last ingredient we need. Now all we have to do is run away together.
Isabella. Phineas said thanks. Thanks. He really does appreciate me. Yes, he does.
You can do this, Candace. Just look into the turn and ease your foot off the brake.
I'm looking into the turn. Mom, look! Phineas and Ferb!
Candace, I don't find that funny.
No! Behind the bus. They were building some kind of contraption. I'll show you.
Okay.
Candace, slow down!
Nice work as usual, Ferb.
See? Thomas back like that.
Good form.
I sense he's filled with much wisdom.
All we need now is the final ingredient.
Hey, Phineas! We got the sap you guys needed. Here!
Thanks. At this stage, the Maracanut sap isn't fully congealed, so it can pass through the semi-permeable membrane with ease. Voila!
Girls, I think we all just earned our passing through a semi-permeable membrane patches. Yeah! See, they're they.
I think I should get tired of asking this, but what am I looking at?
Oh, they were right there in the... Hold on to something, Mom.
Well, that was very entertaining, but that is all I had time scheduled for. Oh, wait! You are already airborne. And I am already still with you. I cannot believe this! My schedule is totally blown! I am going to miss my polka recital!
I heard you. It's a small loss.
Candace, trash cans again! Oops, my bad. Where'd they go?
Candace, I think we've had quite enough of your driving.
Not now, Mom! I have to get this car into the sky!
Uh-oh! How long are we going to be up here?
A while.
And how do you even steer this thing?
We're at the mercy of the breeze.
Sure, when you say it like that, it sounds relaxing.
Hey, everybody! Downdraft!
Power lines!
Girls, you know what to do!
Get this started!
With our angle of descent, leaning will be ineffectual! What? We're gonna crash!
Oh no! I knew I should not have forsaken the rigid beauty of my candy-colored schedule!
The bubble's expanding. It's Baljeet's breathing. It's blowing the bubble up. Everybody breathe heavy like Baljeet.
Yes, sir!
We're doing it. Baljeet, you totally saved us.
When in danger, I always hyperventilate.
Yes! Thank you! You're the best! Yay!
Thank you very much. I'm next, Harry the Platypus. After this concert, I will be the most well-liked man in the tri-state area.
Do you have a friend?
Skull.
Hey, wait! The skeletons poop!
Oh, do-da day. Long-da-doo-do-dee, long-da-dee-da-doo, loo-dee-doo-doo-dee-dee-do, oh, do-da day. La-da-dum-da-dee-da-dum.
I'm getting no place fast.
Do-do-dee-dee-dum, oh, do-da day. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. bounce the bowl, bounce the bowl, bounce the bowl. This is the way we bounce the bowl so early in the morning. Do-da, do-da, oh, do-da day. Oh, do-da day.
Oh, do-da-dee.
La-da-dee-do-do-do-do, do-da, do-da, la-da-dee-da-dee-da-da. La-da-do-do-dee-da-da, do-da, do-da. South of the Winnie is the place for me. Do-da, do-da, I'll drink my fill of sassafras tea. Oh, do-da day, in my southern exposure. Do-da, do-da, oh, do-da day.